guys, welcome back. Welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we have a surprise package sent by Spinmaster regarding the Batman. And I'm actually showcasing the shirt. We recently went there and got to see the premiere of it, although Hamza wasn't allowed. But we got this box here filled with goodies, and together we'll be unboxing it for the very first time. Now this here is an unboxing haul, so big special thanks to the good folks over at Spinmaster for sending this over. All right, Hamza, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. So it says the Batman. You do have Batman here on the side. What do you think's inside of it?
Batman toy.
Batman toys. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa,
Oh, sweet. All right, so first off, we have ourselves the Wingsuit Batman. This actually is a 12-inch character. It has a wingsuit, so you can go ahead and glide. We have Batman and the Bat Cycle. So this here's a 4-inch Batman character, and it comes with a bike. And they did a great job in terms of the detail. So you have this fake dirt on it. Hamza thinks it's real dirt and he keeps telling me to wash it. And then we have Selena Kyle Chase. So this includes Batman and Selena Kyle, including her bike. Definitely did a great job with the details. You can even see like the bike has these movable wheels. She can actually sit on it. And then Batman has his cape, of course. So that is her and her bike and him, of course. And I see something that Hamza's really gonna go crazy about. It's a remote control car.
Wow.
Sweet. The fact that this particular RC can do wheelies and you can go ahead and control it with turbo speed, I'm really excited to try this out. Are you?
This is a jump. It jumps.
It jumps. Looks like we got to put some batteries in there. And then this here's our C car. Let's see if it turns on. Whoa, we got the blue LED. You can see the wheelie access port on the bottom. You got these rubber tire compound material. Let's go ahead and put some batteries in this and see what it does. This here takes 2 AAAs. So very standard controls. You can move it back, forth, left, right. If you hit the turbo button, whoa, whoa, it does a wheelie. Whoa! That is insane. So you can see when I press the wheelie button, see that? That comes out. So it does a wheelie. You want to go and try this out?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's do the wheelie. You ready? Whoa! Good job. High five.
Again.
Alright, well there you guys have it. Overall, really cool stuff. Big special thanks to the good folks at Spinmaster for once again sending this over. And with that said, if you guys haven't seen the Batman, be sure to check it out as well. Now with that said, see you guys next time. Take care now.
Bye-bye.